Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can compress pictures on iPhone for free. So as you know that many applications on iPhone require you to buy any upgrade in order to compress the pictures, but I'm going to tell you about a free app in which you can compress the pictures for free. So come to your app store and click on the search icon at the bottom right, and then just click on the search bar. Here type compress photos, and here among the list you'll need to find this one. Make sure it's made by New Marketing Lab, and then it's written update because I need to update that. If you're installing it for the first time, it will be written install over here. So now I have opened the application, and now here if you wish to buy the pro version, so what pro version has is that you can select multiple, and you can select and compress multiple photos at the same time, but if you just want to compress a single picture, you don't really need to buy a pro version for that. So you can just click on select photos to compress and select the picture that you wish to compress. Here you can see that I have selected this picture to compress. It is of 82.9 KB. It's a very less size, but if you really want it to be much less size, so you can just drag it till here and this till here, and then click on compress. Now you'll have to watch a 5-second ad because it's free, so they need to keep it free. Once the ad is done, it will be done. Okay, now you can see that before it was 82.9 KB and now it is just 858 bytes. So that is like very, very, very less. That's just nil. So you can either delete the original or keep the original. So that is how you can compress photos on iPhone for free. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.